heard a noise. Who's there?
It's just me. Did you find anything?
Nothing good. Just this old car. Long time. Look at the rust.
Yeah, the bezel's gone.
And the cobwebs. Everything's just decayed.
Pretty rough, and the rust is serious on the frame, but the engine block looks savable. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work. Looks like there's some rust in here. Yeah, looks like it's seen some better days. Looks like there's some serious corrosion starting here. We'll need to clean it thoroughly.
Yeah.
And this dent seems to be holding moisture. Keep tension slow and steady, we're almost clear.
Got it, it's coming up.
Watch those tires.
All right, easy on the hoist, Art.
Okay, got it, slow and steady.
Watch the fender, don't want to bend it anymore.
Clear, moving now.
And steady. Feel that rust give way? Almost there.
This rust is worse than I thought.
The chassis is going to need a lot of work.
Yeah, but the engine is solid. We'll start there.
Okay, that wire brush took care of the heavy stuff. Now for the sanding drum, gotta smooth it out. Checking the thickness with the caliper, looks good.
All right, time to tackle this rust. Let's see how much we can get off without damaging the original metal. Focusing around the hinge first.
All right, align that patch just right. Checking the seam here, looking for any voids.
Looks good, no cracks at all.
Perfect, measure that with the caliper.
The alignment is spot on now. Just a bit more here to finish the contour. Looking good, just needs that final touch.
All right, found it in the catalog, 1938 D8 DKW Stromlinie. Just need to order the block and these mounts.
The search for the exact part begins now. The wear and tear on this catalog tell a story in itself.
All right, these look perfect. Let's get them in place.
Subvencja dyska w soku. Wyciepieje serce this, zamawiania tego są 5 saski that tear.
All right, let's take a closer look at these valves.
Any unusual wear or stress fractures here?
No, they seem to be in good shape. All right, piston rings, pin, and bearings inserted. Now gaskets on, tighten the cylinder head bolts.
Okay.
Engine block and transmission connected. Good, now final checks.
All right, let's get these new bushings seated perfectly. Then we'll move on to a
In the stir. All right, time to tackle these old springs. Precision is key here. Watch as I fit these new bushings. And there it is. Ensure the bearing aligns perfectly before pressing. Checked, checked. Looks good. Proceed with the assembly.
All right, fits perfect. Now just a touch of filler to smooth this out.
Make sure the gaskets are aligned perfectly. Every millimeter counts. Yes, boss, it's seated tight now, ready for the springs.
Needs to be perfectly uniform for a smooth. The intake manifold is prepped and ready for sealant. Keep the blue tape precise, right on the edge of the gasket surface.
Franklin Landbank ersättning är flywheel bara bålspost och indelning startade den namn förhetsbrunn. Blackly projekten med en gick på dag.
Almost there, just got to get this tape off. Oh, perfect. Nice clean seal. Almost perfect, just a tiny bit more sealant right here. Can't have any leaks. Can't have any leaks. All right, that looks ready for assembly.
Svek det unbeprinkat sidemål till warvaldiken fluv is a lot of the stepping used to about upon with these pieces, but I space bites. It's think about it's a coins of price.
Now, the critical step is applying the liquid gasket sealant evenly to the engine case mating surface. It needs to be a continuous.
Almost there, just a little further. Fits perfectly, nice and snug. Final checks, everything's solid, good.
All right, time to pull this rusty old thing off.
Yeah. Carefully, don't want to damage anything else.
Fits like a glove. Now to secure the pipe. All right, first we secure this new wheel hub to the knuckle, ensuring it's seated just right. Then the new wheel goes on, make sure it's snug. Now the lug nut.
All right, now we'll install the new wheel and torque down the lug nuts correctly to ensure a secure fit.
The vintage taupe is a beautiful canvas for this chrome mirror. Getting the angle just right is crucial.
That fits perfectly.